Awesome. So the Grape solar panels came in. They look pretty good. They look really nice. We'll take a look at them. The panels here, I've already kind of inspected them. We're using these two huge panels. These are 300-watt panels from Grape Solar. I got these because they are made in the US. Okay, getting ready to tap the crossbars here. Got my 5/16 18 tap. Gonna use some tapping fluid, but just gonna go right into the existing hole here. I'm gonna drill the holes in the side of the frame. It does void the manufacturer's warranty, but I'm not too worried about it. These brackets attach the 80/20 to the existing roof rails. I'm just getting ready to attach the two together. There's these special pieces that are like a carriage bolt with a piece of metal here that goes in the factory roof rail. Then I'm going to put these T-nuts in here, just making the final electrical connections up here. I got these Grape Solar extension cables that have the MC4 connectors on it. So there's a male and a female. Going to connect the panels into parallel with the branch connector, and then going to connect the branch connector to the extension cable. The last step is to connect your positive and minus to your charge controller, and then your charge controller outputs to the batteries. On the ground, you can barely see the solar panels. That's one of the main reasons I went with the 80/20, because we wanted to be able to stealth camp if we had to. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of our 4x4 Sprinter 170 build. I'll leave links for all of the items I used in the video description.